Matthew's got Matt's 70 Duster done. We're going to take this out for a little rip here in a little bit. He's just doing a little carb adjusting right now. He's already taken it for a drive. It's fun to have teenagers driving muscle cars because he's like falling in love. So a little recap on Matt's car. Matt met us at Mopar's in the park last year and has had lots of people helping him with his car, had bad luck with a lot of shops. And a lot of people don't work on old cars, so it's what we specialize in. So Matt brought us his 70 Duster. It's got basically a stroke 318 in this. She scoots pretty good. There was a ton of little stuff, like he had cheap headers, so we put some Hedman headers on here, got them fitting beautiful. Made a new, got a new wiring harness for the engine bay. So the engine bay wiring is all cleaned up, everything's functioning. We had some trouble with some gauges, so we got the fuel gauge rebuilt, along with parking brake cables. We did an alignment. Lots and lots of little stuff. Getting everything just kind of dialed in and tweaked so he can drive it. So he built this car and hasn't really had a chance to drive it yet. So we spent a couple of weeks on it, fixed a lot of little stuff and some big stuff, and now we're about ready to take her for a rip. We ready, Bubby?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go for a drive. I want to see how this sounds.
Yep.
All right, well, we're taking a little rip with Matt's 70 Duster. Got Matthew here at the wheel.
My new header.
And we got smoke coming in from the headers. So he's still got a little bit of work to do here, but I like that he focused on the engine first.
Heater core's leaking.
And the heater core is dripping.
That's okay.
Yeah, well, we'll give her a little beat in here. Take her for a rip.
We're gonna be here for a while, yeah. That's why I was smelling coolant.
I'll take a right then, Bubby. Don't go left.
Can't really.
Why not? Oh yeah. Feels good, huh?
Oh yeah. Good oil pressure, good temps, battery's charging. Coolant's leaking in the car.
Yeah, well, you know,
okay.
Minor stuff.
Good thing I topped it off.
Minor stuff. Another beautiful Minnesota day here. It's not 20 below for a change.
All right, for this shit.
Yep, go baby, go. Nice.
She runs good, man.
Yeah, this is a good runner. Sounds good. How's it steer?
It steers really good. I mean, obviously it's an old car, but it drives great.
Yeah.
Track's perfectly straight.
Yeah.
Center line did a good job.
Nice. Nicey nice. I'm pretty happy with this.
Watch your feet.
What am I watching?
The coolant dripping on your toes.
Oh. Got a little coolant leak in the car.
He should just plug the fucking heater core.
I think so too.
This car does not need it.
You never know. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with this. This thing's working good. Ooh, got a ram dually. Yo, bro. Alright. I'm happy with this. And there you have it. 70 Dusters, ready to go.